How to find contacts on Snapchat. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application, and it will lead you here to your camera section, basically this part. And then what you're gonna do is, before that, you have to go to your settings and make sure that you have allowed settings to have an access to your contacts. I mean your Snapchat to your contacts. So here you will see contacts here. So make sure to toggle that on to give an access to your contacts, to give Snapchat an access to your contacts. Now, once you have toggled that on, let's go back here to our Snapchat. Now, here on the upper right, you will see this plus sign icon here, right? Click on that, and here you'll see add friends. Now, since you want to find contacts in your Snapchat, then you'll see search bar here, right? Now, on the bottom part, you'll see invite your friends that has a contact logo on the left side. So click on that, and basically you have seen all these people here that you can invite to Snapchat, and these are the people in your contacts too. And then here you will see the contacts here to all your contacts, and these are the people who are in Snapchat in my contacts. So here, these people, and then these, you can actually invite these people. And basically what you're gonna do next is to add the person here from your contact, and basically that's it. And that is how you find contacts on Snapchat. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.